Hello, welcome back. Again, my name is Mish Chanchan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the copy con command and the rename and the rent command, which is for rename a directory. So this copy con is used to create a file, and we all know a file ends with an extension. So whenever you want to create a file within CMD, the command that enables you to create a file, that command is called copy con. Remember, a file ends with an extension. So whenever I want to create a new file within a Windows, I have to right click on the desktop and I go to new. Sorry, my machine is slow. I go to new and I take a Microsoft Excel worksheet. So it means that I just created a file called new Microsoft Excel worksheet, right? But what I want to know the extension of this Excel, I right click and I take properties. Now the extension of this Excel in .xlsx, that is the extension. So this tells me that this is our Excel file. So if I also want to create a file of Notepad, I go to text document, and this document here is a Notepad document. But if I want to know the extension of this Notepad document, I right click on the file document, the Notepad document rather, I take properties, and I see here on tab of file, I'm seeing the extension of that Notepad new document, which is text document. The extension is .txt. So that's what I want to do. I want to create a file within CMD. So I'm going to create a file within this yellow directory. We are only seeing our directory, but there is no file. So to do that, you have to open the directory where you want to create the files. So I want to create a file in yellow. So I said to do that, you use copy space con, copy space con, right? So which name you want to give to your file? What kind of name you want to name this file, your file you're about to create? So my new file I want to create now is, I want to create a new Notepad file called note. So this note here is the primary name of the file that I'm creating, right? But now if I hit enter, it creates. So there's a file called note, right? So the extension of this note file is the secondary name. So there are two names in creating a file, which has to do with the primary name, which is the name that the user gives, and the secondary name is the extension that is used to represent that file. So copy space con space which name you want to give to your file. I want to name my file called meach, MEACH. That is the primary name. This meach here is the primary name. But which application file I want to create? Which application file I want to create? I want to create Excel. So since I want to create Excel, I say dot .xlsx. This means name it should become a file of what? Excel. This is what it is indicating. So I hit enter. Now you see the cursor here is blinking. The reason the cursor is blinking, it is telling that do you want to tap, it is asking you rather, do you want to tap anything within this mesh.xlsx file? That's why it's saying. So what happens, let's say I say yes, so I say thanks, THANKX. After I shall tap these things, if I hit enter, these things won't be created, won't be written within this mesh.xlsx. So here enables you to tap any amount of words, any word you want to tap within your file. What I'm talking about is that what I'm talking about is that if I open this notepad and I tap, I just tap, I tap, all of this information I'm tapping, that's what this space or this blinking cursor is saying. Do you want to tap anything within your file? So I say yes, and I want to tap what? Thanks. After I shall have done tapping things, or after you shall have done tapping anything you wish, but now to save it, for it to be saved, for your words to be saved within your file, there are two ways you saved or document. One way is either press F6, and another way is hold Control. You hold the Control key and press Z. So any of that, but for my case I'm going to press F6. So I press F6. Now you press F6, you're going to see a sign. This sign tells that this document here, this word things, is saved within this mesh.xlsx file. So I hit enter, you're going to say one fast copy. So it means when I try to open this mesh.xlsx file, I'm going to see a word in this mesh.xlsx file called things. It might open at times. Remember that it might open at times. So now here is it. Here is the mesh file we created. You see here it is having an Excel file icon. So here is it. This mesh is in this yellow. So when I double click, I'm opening it to see if I'm going to see the word that I tapped. So let us wait a moment. So now you see that it is opening, and it gives a warning sign, and I click OK. It doesn't want to open it. That's how you create a file within CMD. I'm going to try to create another file called practice, but that file now won't be an Excel file. It's going to be a notepad file. It's going to be a notepad file. So I'm going to type COPY, copy space home space practice, PRACTRCE. But I said I wanted to be a notepad, so I have to know the extension for notepad. So the extension for notepad is .txt. But how can you know? Maybe you have a notepad file on your machine, or within your machine you have to right click on that notepad file. This is one of my notepad file. So I right click on it, I take property, and I see here, I'm seeing the extension here .txt. So that's how you can know from Windows. So you can also know from CMD all of the extensions, but there is a command that will help you to do that. So since I know that notepad ends with txt and tab.txt. Whenever you are typing the extension, do not give space because it won't work. So you type the practice name, which is the primary name, and don't give space, and then you type the secondary name, which is the extension. So I enter. It asks me, do you want to type anything? I say yes. I'm also going to type thanks. But now in this case, the first one I press the F6 key, but in this case now I'm going to hold down the control key and press Z, and I enter. One fast one copied. So I want to see it. Here is the practice file. So I open it and I see what thing. So that's it. Any file you can create within CMD, but the important name you have to remember is the secondary name, which has to do with the extension. So that's how we create a file in command prompt. And I said we'll go to the next one we're going to be doing is renaming a file. So I want to change this file name from practice to tutorial. So to do that is very easy. The arrow here is open within CMD, so I'm going to have the ability to rename the subdirectory or the subfile called practice. Sorry, it's not a directory, but the subfile called practice to tutorial.txt. You can rename it to any file. You can rename it to any file, but I'm going to let that file still carry the Notepad extensions because I want it to be a Notepad. So I'm going to say rename space. What is the old name? What is the name you want to change? I want to change this practice, followed by the extension that the old name has. So .txt, meaning change the practice.txt to which name? The new name. So we'll say rename this old name to a new name. The new name here is tutorial. Tutorial.txt. So it means rename this practice name to tutorial.txt. So for sure we say rename old name, rename space old name space new name. So my old name here is practice and the new name here is what? Tutorial. And I enter. You enter now. It didn't give any message that tells you that one file is copied, like, or one file have been renamed, or giving a message to indicate that it was done successfully. But it is done successfully. Whenever you see it this way without an error message, it means it is done successfully. So let us check. Now here is it. Here is it. It has changed to tutorial. But now you're seeing things is in the tutorial. So it was only the name I changed, but I didn't delete the entire file. So that's it. So I know somebody must ask me, but why is it? In case I want to check it within CMD instead of me going to Windows, then you can check my previous tutorial on how to see a sub directory or files within a root directory. Thank you. You can subscribe to my channel and you can click the like button and leave a comment on my page. Thank you.